The voices are real. The pain is real. My fear of it all is real. The only thing that isn't real is me, because I sure don't feel real. No more floating around in space, motherfucker. Saying goodbye is like a slap in the face. It's hard, painful, and somehow sweet, like the final closure to the life of a cancer patient who finally lets her last breath out. Saying goodbye is it's like skipping stones. You pick a nice flat rock and you cup it in your hands and you whisper it to it, a problem and a sorrow. And then you kiss it, as if it were an infant sleeping in its crib. And then you toss it, watching it skip away, counting 1, 2, 3. I just saw all the emptiness. I saw all the new and old memories finally surfacing from the time I was a little girl. You know, that pretty little girl. I just couldn't take the fact that the idea that one more person had fucked with my mind, violated me. I stood there in the mirror with my eyes shut. Imagine my life 30 years from now, still selling my body at the same cheap crack hotel. I thought, shit, I'm so tired of renting my pussy to the highest bidder. And sometimes the highest bidder only had $20 to his goddamn name.